Welcome to the show. Today in the show, we have a math problem for you. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number plus another 5-digit number with some regrouping. Now, before we get started, I want you to go ahead and pause the video, try this problem on your own, and then come back when you're ready to recheck it. You ready to pause the video? Let's do it.
Pause.
All right, welcome back. All right, let's get started here. All right, Lucas, do you think you can do this?
Yeah.
All right.
I know 3 plus 8 equals 11.
Okay, he's adding the ones first.
And I know 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then 6 plus 6 equals 12.
12, all
I
right.
just lost the cap.
Now, before you continue, Lucas, do you know why I have a big nose. Do you know why my nose is not 12 inches long?
Otherwise it would be a foot.
Otherwise, it would be a foot. All right, let's get back to the math problem. So here's a trick right here, Lucas. On this, what number should you add the 1 to? Would it be the 4 plus the 1 or the 8 plus the 1?
Oh, 8 plus the 1.
8 plus the 1 would be?
9. And then...
Nueve, for our Spanish-speaking friends out there.
This is a 3. This is a 1.
All right, 1. Now, I'm going to stop Lucas for a second. And Lucas, it's so important to be very neat in mathematics. I tell all my students that because just a slight error of a number, like a 0 and a 6, can throw you off and other people can't understand it. So it's very important that we're very neat in mathematics.
I don't know if that's backwards.
No, this is perfect. This is perfect. So what is 3 plus 1?
3 plus 1 equals 4.
Okay, and what is 6 plus 4?
Oh, it's 10.
10. All right, so go ahead and put the 10 there.
0, 1.
Carry the 1. All right.
3 plus 4.
Oh, this is so exciting. We're almost done now.
Equals 7.
7. Sent from heaven. We did it. Oh my goodness. Goody gumdrops. Look at that. We're going to put a little comma right there. Wow. Hey, I hope you did a good job on your problem.
70,321.
That's it.
Dollars.
Dollars. Oh, ooh, I like those dollars. Yeah. You could even put cookies there if you wanted to. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I hope you enjoyed our video. We have a lot of other math videos out there on our channel. And please hit that subscribe button.
Dollars and cookies now.
Dollars and cookies. Look at that. And hit that likey button. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.